Hey guys, this is Gear Pro 101. We get a lot of questions all the time about how to do the scabbard on our X2 pack, and so I'm going to show you here today. You're going to receive the X2 like this. You're going to undo your two vertical straps and your two horizontal. And you're going to have 4 different places you can actually put this scabbard. You can either put them on the inner part of your side pouches, or you can put them on either side part of your main compartment. The main compartment does have a deeper amount of molle webbing rows, so we're going to do it on the main compartment here. You're going to receive your scabbard, and on the back side you're going to have your molle webbing. Most of our molle accessories have switched over to this hard tag bottom. You're just going to invert it in at the end like you see here. But go ahead and undo these guys. Start with your inside molle first. It's going to be easier then to do your outside second. The idea with anything molle is the more times you can weave back and forth from the X2 to the scabbard, the better it's going to be. We're going to go onto the X2 first, onto the scabbard. You're going to skip over one row of molle to the next, and down. And you can already see how tight that's getting. Continue this down. One through the scabbard, one through the X2. Once through the X2. And then you're going to invert this back up into the scabbard. Repeat this process for your second vertical strap. You'll have your scabbard here, and then you'll just go ahead and take your vertical straps over the X2 here. Then go ahead and take your load panel and put it to one side of the scabbard.
How you doing?
And that's how you set up a scabbard on one of our X2 packs. Thanks again, guys, for asking these questions. We're going to have more of these. Feel free to email in to customer service at Eberlestock.com.